Moral story. This story is all about Apu and Grandma Tree. Apu lives near a forest. His father is a woodcutter. Every afternoon, Apu sits under an old tree and listens. Apu, I am Grandma Tree. Everyone is cutting us down. You must stop them. If we go away, where will be the birds sit and sing? Papa, please don't cut trees. I want to hear the birds sing. Papa knows what Apu means. He wipes his tears. I am sorry. Apu, let's plant trees together. Moral of the story: we must save tree and save nature. Keywords from story. Listen to give attention to something you can hear or to a person who is speaking. Go away to leave a place or person. Nose to be familiar with or have experience and understanding. Wipes in order to remove dirt, food or liquid. Nature all the animals, plants, rocks in the world. Opposites from story. Live, dead, near, far, sit, stand, under, over, old, young, down, up, stop, start, together, separately, save, waste. Please like and subscribe. We'll meet you again with another story and keywords.